Hey everyone, I'm Pratham and today I'm super excited to show you IPstack MCP in action. IPstack MCP allows your AI agents to get access to IP geolocation data. So in case you are building any AI agent that need IP2 location data, IPstack MCP will surely be your first choice because it exposes all the data points that we provide under IPstack API. It's definitely a remote server, so you can literally configure it under any AI coding tool that you have been using. In order to get started with it, all you need to do is sign up to IPstack and head over to your dashboard. Here you will find a new section called MCP Access Tokens, which we just added. Here you can create your bearer token, which you need in your configuration files. Create new token and give your token a name. I'm calling it prod and then an expiry date, which I'm assigning it randomly. Now all you need to do is click on generate token and it will create your first bearer token. Make sure you copy the value of your token because this is the first and last time you see the value due to the security reasons. And now click on done. As you can see, this is the first token that I just created on my dashboard. By the way, we already have a well-written documentation for our MCP. So in case you are using Claude, VS Code or any other AI coding tool, you can head over to our documentation and follow the step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you how to configure this MCP in Cursor under 60 seconds literally. So I'm heading over to my cursor. Here all you need to do is just head over to cursor settings. Here you will find a section called tools and MCP. Just click on it and now here you can add a custom MCP. So in the configuration file, a couple of things you need to pass, which is of course your server name, then what is the URL, which is the remote URL for the MCP, that is mcp.apilayer.com/mcp, and then your authorization header. And here I will pass the key that I just created and hit save. And now if I close this configuration file, by the way, I have configured it globally, but you can do that on your project level too. Now if I head over to cursor settings again, here you will see a green dot next to API layer. That means I have successfully configured the MCP. And if I open it, you will see it has access to three tools or three MCP tools, which are nothing but the IPstack API endpoints. And now if I pass a simple prompt that get location details for this particular IP address and hit enter, I think my agent will call IPstack lookup tool via MCP and give me the data back. Let's see. As you can see, it's asking me to run IPstack lookup and I'll just click on run. And now hopefully I'll get all the necessary data. Yes. So this is the IP address which I asked, and this is all the necessary location details that are coming directly from IPstack MCP. So as you can see, it is super handy if you are building any custom AI tools or agents that need this sort of particular data. Yes, with that being said, I'm super excited to see what you build with IPstack MCP. Thank you.